Yes, so today I'm here to just explain you my third year engineering project that I have built for speed and direction control of DC motor using the microcontroller. Generally, when a DC motor is associated with any microcontroller based system, it is often connected using a motor driving IC. A motor driving IC provides the necessary current for the motor to run. It can also control the direction of the rotation, but in this project, an Arduino based speed and direction control of DC motor without using the AND motor driving IC is designed. A DC motor cannot be connected to a microcontroller as the output current of microcontroller is very small and it cannot drive the motor. Hence, here we use transistors to form an H bridge to drive the motor. The circuit diagram I'll just show you and the descriptions as well. The component which are being used in this project are Arduino Uno, the transistors for numbers as 2N2222, and the resistors of and component of 1k ohm. The diodes which are being used in this project is 1N4007 that will be used as 4 nuns, and one DC motor, push button and 10k pot kilo ohm pot is being used. Arduino Uno, it is a microcontroller based prototype board. The microcontroller used on the Arduino board is 80 mega 328P. Arduino is responsible for the controlling the speed and direction of the motor with the help of other components as 2N2222 the transistor, and the circuit is designed as an is Arduino is the main processing unit of the project. The wiper terminal of the port is connected to the Arduino pin A0. Okay, the another terminal are connected to the VCC and the ground. Four transistors are connected as shown in the diagram, and with the load that is DC motor in the center actually. And now I'll just explain you the main aim of my project is to control the speed of the direction of a DC motor without using a motor driving IC. Hence, we need to form an H bridge using transistor. In other order to drive the motor, the working of the project is explained here, assuming all connections are made as the circuit diagram shows. The pod is connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. This is used to adjust the speed of the motor. The normal operation of the motor is to rotate in the forward direction when a button, which is connected to the pin 13 of the Arduino, is activated or pressed. The direction of the rotation must be reversed and should stay in that direction until the button is released. For forward rotation of the motor, transistor Q2 and Q3 must be turned on. Hence, the output 5 and 4 of the Arduino are high. The motor is connected between pin 13 and ground. The Arduino is programmed to detect a logic low on the pin 13. When the button is pressed, when the button is pressed, the transistor Q1 and Q2 must be turned on. Hence the pin 3 and pin 2 of the Arduino are made high. The motor rotates in reverse direction as long as button is pressed. I'll just give you some of the note of this project. The motor used in this project is a geared motor used for mobile robots, and the rotor seems slow. The project is built using 2N2222 transistor, which has a maximum current rating of 800 milliampere, which is enough to drive slow current motors. For driving motors with large current requirements, BD139, which gives up to a current flow of 1.5 ampere, or other MOSFET can also be used. The code can be modified so that push to forward rotations and the push to reverse rotation can be achieved in the Arduino Uno board. I'll just give you some of the basic applications for this project. That is, the circuit can be used to drive a single DC motor without motor driving IC. The circuit can be extended to two motors by implementing dual edge bridge connection. And we can also be use this project in simple robotic application to control the direction and speed of the single motor. So this was the in description information of my project. So I'll just hope that you would be just got the information regarding my project. Thank you.